What's going on, players and playettes? It's your boy Lando Sess. Hope all is well. So if you're like me, you wonder sometimes what the stock market is going to do if you went to like the historic averages. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to look at Bitcoin also. Why not? Today the stock market is in the red. The Dow went down 500 points. So this article says, here's what history says about the stock market performance in December. We got Santa Claus because y'all notice I've been doing a lot of videos talking about a December rally. And I believe we're going to have a December rally in the stock market. US stocks are wrapping up with a good November that saw equities to bounce off their 2022 lows set in October, with optimism building that the momentum will cement a year-end rally. So right here you see it say finishes the month higher percentage. So literally you're looking at January, February, we only care about December. And just looking at this, you notice December is higher than every single one of them for the most part. It looks like it on average. So let's see. Of course, averages and other historical data are a rough guide at best. Some investors no doubt have bad memories of the market 9% December 2008 plunge. So I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a factual thing that's going to happen. This is just talking about market averages, what has happened over the history and what could happen in the future. So the Dow industry average is up 71% of the time. So 71%, so 7 out of 10 is going to be in the green. If we did 10 months, 7 times it's going to be green, 3 months going to be red. It's the highest winning percentage of any month. So if you think of any single month, the highest chance of stocks being green is in December. The average December return for the Dow is 1.4%, second to July. So if we did the averages, the Dow will go up 1.4%. Won't go up crazy, but it will go up. It'd be in the green versus the red. The S&P 500 is up 73% of the time, the highest winning percentage in any month. You see we have a consistent thing going on here. The average December returns, same thing, is 1.4. Third best month on average. The NASDAQ composite is up 61% of the time. That's a big difference from 73 to 61. This is getting close to a 50-50 chance with the NASDAQ. The average December return for the NASDAQ is 1.7. So it's a little bit higher though if it do go up. And the Russ is the highest. Russell 2000 is up 83% of the time. It's the highest winning percentage in any month, and their averages is 2.8. The chart below illustrates how December returns stack up historically, and that's the Russell 2000 up there. While September is a L, that's just not a good month. So I want to look at cryptocurrency a little bit too. If we went to CoinGlass and looked at Bitcoin historical returns, let's see. So we're about to go, we would do monthly, and we're going to do December. So right now, crypto, so for you don't see, it's from 2022 to 2013. So right now we're already in the red. Last month we was in the red 16%. One of the highest drops in cryptocurrency since June. And that was because all of the crazy FTX drama. So now in December, we're already in the red, not down crazy. It's the beginning of the month. But you look at last year. Last year we went down 18%. And you didn't see any drop such as 18% since May. So that was literally the second worst month of the year last time. Now look back another year. 46% growth. 42% growth in November. You see a 38% growth. 30%. So this give me mixed signals. What I like to do is see November had a red month. When have November had a red month, then December had a green month. If we look at it, red, 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 red. So by looking at this chart, and you look at within the last 9 years, there's a 100% chance December is going to be a red month in cryptocurrency. I hope I'm wrong, because I'm predicting we're about to have a rally. I don't know how far that rally can go up. We're going to re-establish that and come up with some numbers after that. But this is going to be interesting. This is a great month to dissect and look at. So just wanted to kick it with you guys about that. Let me know if you're buying. What's your thoughts about cryptocurrency? What's your thoughts about the stock market? Do you believe, let me know in the comments, if we're going to have a green or red month. Talk to you guys soon. And if you want some free stocks with Moomoo, make sure you click the link in the bio and get you up to 20 free stocks. All you have to do is deposit $100 to get you like 10 and $1,000 to get you 20. And I'm out.